let's take a quick look at some of the top features of the SBK 667 Swanson Savage jab saw. This side, if you press to open, it has a really nice saw. What we're going to look at today are the features of the utility blade. This is how it opens. You just pull it open, locks into place safely, and once you've used it a bunch of times and the blade starts to get dull, as they do over time, this patented locking system blade hold opens here real simply. Thumb in the hole there slides open and the blade just lifts out. Replace it with a new one, pretend that's new for the purposes of this video, and using these ridges right here, push it shut and hold it with this thumb as you slide it so that the eye fits into the hole right there. You hear it lock, and then when you're done using it, the blade locks away. You're good to go.